rumesbak sa tawag ng tanghalan?
Rumesbak ng rumesbak. Ayan. Actually, we need two resbackers to answer the question. Ayan. Meron ba tayong volunteer?
What about si Miss Ayeji?
Miss Ayeji, sige. Wow!
Isa sa mga
Ayeji's back.
na boses ng tawag ng tanghalan.
Diba? Ayan. Tiramin natin yung mic for Miss Ayeji.
Bonggirls.
You want us to repeat the question
Yes
po?
po. Sorry. Medyo matanda na.
Ayan. Miss Ayeji, sa iyong pananaw, bakit sa dami ng singing competition sa telebisyon, mas masarap pa rin rumesbak ng rumesbak sa TNT?
Why not? Why not? Kasi I've tried also international competition. So, parang sa experience ko, Diyos ko, 3 dekada na siguro, no? Iba pa rin ang Pilipino. So, sa akin kasi, win or lose, contest is a game. Either you win or you lose. Ang maganda kasi, manalo ka or matalo ka, basta magagaling yung kalaban mo kasi dun mo masusukat kung ano din ang kapasidad mo.
Wow.
At dito lang yan sa tawag ng tanghalan. Ito, with all honesty, napakahuhusay ng mga contestant dito. So, laban 42.
Di ba pag pinapakita ko si Ayeji, parang hindi natatakot. Talagang laban, di ba?
Yes, natakot din ako. Hindi ko lang pinapahalata para hindi yun sila mag-alala.
Alright.
Minsan kailangan din yun, no? Itago natin yung tunay nating nararamdaman para mas marami pang ma-inspire. Yes. Sino bang tatanungin natin? May nagtataas mo ng kamay, si Miss Phoebe.
Phoebe. Ayan. Pahiram po ng microphone for Miss Phoebe.
Sa akin, hindi lang yung, yung pagbalik dito kasi, makita mo yung mga nakilala mo na noon. Sobrang saya. So apart from that, oo, actually, naiiyak ako kanina.
Iyak na yan.
Alam mo yung, apart sa sinabi ni Ayeji, tama yung sinabi niya, you learn from one another too. So, kung ano yung strength niya, nakakadampot tayo sa isa't isa. Yun yung nakakapulot. So, yun yung magandang factor.
True. Kumbaga parang learning experience din, di ba? Habang nasa tawag ng tanghalan journey ka. Thank you so much, Miss Ayeji and Miss Phoebe. Ayan. Next question? Ayan.
Alright, ito naman from Miss Aubrey Carampel from GMA Integrated News.
Hello, Miss Aubrey.
Ang tanong niya.
Ayan, tayo naman tanong. Sige.
Hi, Miss Aubrey. Hello.
Hello po.
Hello.
Welcome po.
Thank you for being here again.
Yes, the question is for Sir Ogie Alcacid. What makes a performance stand out to you as one of the OPM's icons? What advice can you give sa ating TNT Resbackers?
Hirap naman ng question. But I think, as a performer, ito pagbabasehan ko na naman yung asawa ko. Yung asawa ko kasi has this killer instinct. Parang ina-unleash niya. Na kapag nagpe-perform, kahit sasabihin niya, parang wala akong boses. And then she stands on that stage, she does something fantastic. Or it's like an out-of-body experience that she experiences, and then she just does it. All of you have that. I think all of us have that. It's just up to us how to tap and how to unleash that KI, which is the killer instinct. I think that's what marks one performer from another, how you can stand out another. And when that happens, when that magic happens, nararamdaman ng audience yun at nararamdaman namin yun. Para siya na sweet spot that you untap. And it doesn't happen all the time. Diba? It doesn't. Alam niyo yun eh, pag nagpe-perform, wow, sarap nung nagawa ko yun. It doesn't happen. So you just have to keep on trying and trying and trying and trying. Do you think you have a great performance every time? Hindi naman, diba? So, it's a matter of chance, it's a matter of practicing how you can untap that killer instinct. I hope that helps.
Yes, thank you so much, Sir Bola. How about Sir Louie po?
Ayan. That should be the question for Sir Louie.
What makes a performance stand out to you as one of OPM's icons What advice can you give to our TNT backers?
What makes a performance stand out? Okay. I have to feel it. Number one, when you do something, when you do something vocally, okay, when you perform, do it for a reason. And that reason should come from your gut and from your heart. Don't do it for the sake of just, okay, ito yung mga bala na napag-aralan ko. Sasalpak mo yan. Sige. Do it for a reason. A song calls for something to be done. Kunyari, pagdating sa chorus, kung kailang hatawin, di humataw ka. Huwag niyong gawin na parang, sige, sa verse pa lang, so bisa hahataw na ako. Do it for a reason because yan na ang dinidictate ng puso niyo. Okay? Okay magyabang, kasi ako, kunyari, kapag tumutugtog ako, parang gusto ko minsan, sige, magpapasiklab ako, may gagawin ako, isang piraso lang. So katulad din sinabi ni, yung, what you were saying with Regina, meron siyang mga killer instinct, no? So it's good to do that Kunyari, yung...
Buti nga, buhay pa ako
Ano mo yun, yung parang unexpectedly for a reason, but coming from your gut and from your heart, do something. Magpasiklab ng konti. So, pasikat, di ba? So, yan yung ma-advise mo.
Thank you, Sir Louie. Grabe, parang ako nasa workshop. Ang gaganda ng mga sinasabi nila. Maraming salamat po. We have another question from Miss Aubrey Carampel, pero this time sa mga backers. Let's hear from Kim and Noe. Here's the question. What did you learn from your previous performances that you're applying now that you're back on the TNT stage? Kim muna, sige.
Things that I learned from my previous performances?
Yes.
This show has let me discover a lot of things about myself, a lot of insecurities, my anxiety, and my gifts as well. So I think this time it should be about overcoming the negatives and highlighting the positives. So parang gusto kong ma-overcome yung sarili kong fears and anxiety nang at the same time mabigay ko rin kung ano yung gusto kong message this time. I would love this edition to be my story. Kumbaga, I want to give a story to the Madlang people through my songs, through my performances. Ayun lang po. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you so much, Kim.